What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kerr Outdoors. So we're out here in Utah in the deserts, and we are on the last day of cottontail season trying to harvest some cottontails. We're still early in the day, but we managed to harvest one cottontail. We're off to a good start, but we just decided to come back for the truck and stop for lunch. Now, at a store in Salt Lake City, we found some knockoff MREs, so we're going to give those a try. And we're just going to kind of show you guys how to do it and bring you guys along and give you a taste test and see if they're any good. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to cut it open. Now, this knife I'm using is a MRE knife, which we do have on our website. We have a link to where we bought these knives right on our website. I believe they're made in Sweden. They're super high quality knives. They stay sharp for a long time. That's why we like them. A lot of people don't like these little the rubber and plastic handled knives, but these have really held up great for us. So if you want to check those out, kerroutdoors.com. We've got a link to those in there. All right, let's see what we got here. So our main course is chicken chili with beans. It says here that there is a 170 calories per serving, and we've got one serving. So 170 calories of chili right there. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of chicken chili or not. I haven't really had that stuff. That'll probably be good. We've got our little heating pouch, which is just like they give in the MREs from the military. Okay, looks like we have a cherry flavored energy bar. There you go. Pretty much ingredients: a crap ton of sugar, a little bit of protein. It says there's 400 calories in this one bar. So, yeah, we'll see how that tastes. There you go. Looks like we've got 2 little packages of club crackers. And just a little bag with a spoon. Looks like if you wanted, you could make some instant decaffeinated coffee. And a little package of jam right there for your cracker. All right, and we've got a little package of chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, there you go. It says here there's 120 calories in this package of cookies, 2 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs, 10 grams of sugar. So that's the package. And these are meant for in like a survival situation or in some kind of bug out bag or something like that you need to just grab and you can take. Here's a meal. Now, I'm not sure if this is intended for just one meal or for all your food for the day. I'm guessing one meal. We did calculate out the calories, and it comes to just under 900 calories. So that'll be pretty good if you're in some sort of situation where this was your food source. All right, well, we are going to get our main course all prepped up. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with these MRE style heaters, but all you need to do is, they come in this little sleeve, and basically you just add water, and you're able to heat up your meal. So here's the sleeve that they come in. It has directions right here. So all we're going to do is we're going to rip off this top, and we're going to slide in our main course, our chicken chili. So let's just slide that in there. That'll go right down to the bottom. And as you can see, we've got some sort of little, actually you can't see. So there's some sort of little heater pad in there where some sort of chemical reaction is going to happen once we add in our water. It says here to fill to that line. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try not to go over. Okay, looks about good. So, we filled to just about at that line, and now the chemical reaction should start, and all we're going to do is fold over this lid, and we're just going to set down our little packet, and we're good to go. Alright, so those are supposed to heat up for about 12 minutes, so in the meantime, we're going to crack open some of this other food and see what that tastes like. The club crackers, those are just your standard crackers. We'll crack one open. Now I don't have a date on how old these MREs are, and you can see my dad's is going right there. Now I don't have a date on how old these are. However, I believe they're pretty old. We did buy these, like I said, at that weird store in Salt Lake, and coming from there, you really never know what to expect. So, here's a club cracker. Give that a taste. Pretty much like any other club cracker. It's not really stale or anything, so that was nice. So, next, we're going to open up the energy bar. And I'm not really going to eat very much of these. I'm just kind of showing you guys a little bit of what it's like. So, alright. So the energy bar. That definitely was like vacuum sealed. That was really airtight. So, there you go. Looks like a pretty dense bar. Goldish brownish color. The texture's a little bit weird. It feels solid, but then like you rub it and it kind of all just rubs away. It almost just feels like if you were to just like solidify a bar of sugar. So there's that. Let's cut off just a little piece, or just shave away some. So it almost looks like brown sugar when you shave it away, as you can see. So, yeah. Guess we'll take a bite and see how it tastes. It pretty much tastes like cherry flavored sugar in a bar. So, I really don't know if I could eat the whole thing of this. I mean, I guess if I was in a survival situation, maybe. But right now, I'm not going to eat any more. But no, I mean, it tastes fine. It just tastes like sugar. So, if that's what you're into, then you'll definitely want to look these up. Okay, there you go. Back in the package. There you go. Okay, and then we have these little chocolate chip cookies in this package. So we'll crack those open. I should probably have checked for expiration dates on all this, but we'll be fine. Okay, here's what those look like. Little individual cookie crackers. Okay. Initial smell, not great. Yeah, those do not smell good. That smells like what I would imagine maybe like rabbit food would taste, or I don't know. Those smell pretty bad. I kind of wish you guys could smell this through the screen, because you'd probably be as disgusted as I am. Okay. Guess we'll pop one in and try it. Yep. Those taste really bad. Yeah, those are great. Well, if that's what you like, then check them out at wherever we bought this. Well, yeah. So, now that all that is over with, we are going to wait probably another 7 minutes for our meal to heat up, and we'll give you guys a little taste test on that. Alright guys, well, it's been 12 minutes, which was the recommended time that we wait. So, now what you're supposed to do is, they have this second little notch right there. So we're going to rip down there, rip that off, set that aside, and we're going to take out our pouch. Now the water that's left in there, we're definitely not going to drink. I don't think we're thirsty enough for that. But yeah. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna set that aside. Doesn't feel like boiling hot, but it feels pretty warm. So we've got a little tearaway tab right there. Now we're just gonna. Okay. Smells pretty good. If you want to take a look inside. Does not look that appetizing, but it smells pretty good. So, we're gonna break out our spoon. That's right, one-handed, almost. Okay, so let's give this a try. We give it a little stir. Looks like we got some onion and pepper and seasoning in there. Okay, that's actually like just the perfect amount of warmness that you can eat it and you don't have to wait or anything like that. So that's awesome, yeah. And it tastes great too. I mean, just tastes like you would expect chicken chili to taste, so yeah. All right, well, big thumbs up from me. All in all, I don't know how much this cost, like 99 cents or something. So it was pretty good lunch for 99 cents, not gonna lie. All right, well, make sure you guys go down and give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go down and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when we do post our videos. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, recently we launched our website, keroutdoors.com. Make sure you guys go check that out. We're selling all sorts of apparel, hats like I'm wearing right now, and we've got links to all the products we love. So yeah, make sure you guys go check it out, and I'll see you guys next week.